What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. Today is an exciting day. This video is brought to you by Holley EFI, and they have partnered with the Burndown YouTube channel to sponsor my #1 fan, Kane, and his dad Fernando, with a Holley Terminator X Max kit for their Apache. That is so freaking awesome. For those of you guys that have been following the channel, you know that Kane has been a staple and a part of this channel pretty much since the beginning. The reason I call him my #1 fan is because he was the first person to really give a crap about the videos that I make here on YouTube. And there was a point in time when I was going to throw in the towel and give up here on YouTube. And then I met Kane, and he damn near jumped out of his wheelchair. And I came home and told my wife, I said, as long as that kid keeps watching my videos, I'm going to keep making them, and I'm not going to throw the towel in. Well, fast forward, here we are. Now we're partnered with Holley. They were gracious enough to sponsor my #1 fan, and you and I are going to surprise him today with this kit. So the other thing that makes this special is they have been struggling with the truck. They haven't got to hot rod all year because they have an electrical gremlin. Myself and a few other friends that are friends with Kane and Fernando have been talking to him and telling him he needs to save up and get a Holley, but it's just been outside of his reach. He is a fantastic father. He does all the stuff for Kane, and then on top of that, he takes him to all the car events that he can because they are car guys through and through. So I see him out all the time. He's always there pushing Kane around in his wheelchair, and Kane's talking to everybody and asking a million questions. It's always awesome to see him out. But you and I both know, if you're watching this video, that hot rodding is not cheap. Aftermarket standalone ECUs are not cheap, and he just couldn't reach that bar. The barrier to entry was too high for him. So I reached out to Holley. They obliged, they stepped up, and here we are. So I'm super duper excited. For those of you that may not know what a Terminator X Max is, if you're watching this and you do not know, this is the gold standard for the entry level in an aftermarket ECU package that you can get for your hot rod. So go check out Holley.com, and then you can go to Holley EFI, and they will have something for you. They've got Mopar, Ford, LS, and then they even have a universal application. So if you want to swap some weird stuff, they've got you covered with that. So thank you, Holley. As soon as these guys reach out to me, they're supposed to come by. They think they are picking up a stock ECU that has been flashed by my buddy Gene, so that's how we're getting them over here. So they are just picking that up. I haven't seen them in a while, so we're just going to shoot the breeze, and I know they're going to want to hang out, and Kane's going to want to ask a bunch of questions. But what they don't know is that they are getting some goodies, and we're going to get their truck back on the road, and they're going to be hot rodding here in no time soon. So when they show up, I'll bring you guys back, and hopefully it's a wonderful reaction. I can't be more excited.
Hey.
What's up, man? Long time no see.
Yeah.
How are ya?
Good.
I heard you had a birthday.
Yeah.
How old are you now? 20 freaking 1, dude.
Yeah.
How long have I known you guys?
8 years?
I want to say he was like 13 years old, dude. You're making me feel old right now, Kane.
How old? How many years?
12.
Oh yeah, your kid was a baby.
Yeah, in a stroller. Yeah. So that's crazy. We'll get out of here. We got some stuff over here. You can come hang out for a minute.
Yeah.
So I haven't seen you guys in forever.
Yeah.
Yeah? So did you have a good birthday?
Yeah.
Did you have a good birthday, Dad?
I felt old.
Oh yeah.
Old.
Yeah, me too.
We've never been in this area.
Yeah, I know, because I always have stuff in the way. Well, you guys caught me kind of after hours. I was out here working all day waiting, but you guys are snoozing or something today.
Yeah, we took Fire and Sunday today.
Yeah. Good.
We did some stuff, right?
So what's going on with the truck?
The gas pedal is not working.
The gas pedal's not working.
No.
That's the only pedal that matters too, huh?
The TAC module. It has some deep wiring problems. We replaced a bunch of sparks.
Yeah.
Replaced pedal.
So as far as I know, those Trailblazer SS have problems in the factory, and then you compounded it by putting a body on and all the things.
And we did the harness is the stock harness.
Uh-huh.
So it's a 20-year-old harness that somebody
Oh, yeah.
with, you know. So,
Yeah, nice.
You know.
Well, Gene kind of gave me something for you. It's over here. Yeah? So, let's see what we got. You got this? This is from Gene.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn it into from wire to cable.
Wire to cable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna eliminate all the electronic problems.
Well, we might have a couple more items to help you guys eliminate some of your electronic problems. How's that sound?
Yeah.
That sounds good. Why don't you grab those boxes and throw them over here?
All of those?
Yeah.
Here?
All of them. The big one too.
Really?
What are you smiling about? So, beginning of the year, we went to Holley LS Fest West, and your truck didn't make it out there.
Yeah, because of the electrical problems. Yeah.
So I reached out to Holley and I asked them if they could help us out. So they came through for us, and we got you guys sponsored with a
For real?
Terminator X Max. And then I'm gonna help do the install, and then my buddy Gene, which is your friend Gene as well, he's gonna help out also.
Oh, wow.
So you're gonna have to use that computer though for the time being, and then after you get through your event or whatever it is you guys are doing, we'll schedule it, and then I'll drag the truck over here and I'll put it all in. How's that sound?
Good.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Well, also,
Wow.
because Holley stepped up, we had to reach out to my other friends, so let's open some stuff up over here. Get you guys going. Here's all your stuff. Don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself, Dad.
No, I was not ready, but I'm ready. Well, thank you. First of all, thank you. Thank Holley.
Holley EFI, yeah. Thank you, Holley.
And Gene. And
just that one's open.
Oh, wow.
You can't forget these guys. Who's that? War Performance.
Okay, don't fall off the chair.
Yeah, he's a little excited.
Clip the video right here, because I'm gonna.
All right.
This is all excitement.
Oh, he's all right.
Yeah, but this is all excitement. Like this is like he's too excited.
Oh, I know.
You even wore the shirt for some
Heck yeah.
reason today.
So I'll open that up and show Cam what we got.
Well, I know what it is.
Well, you do.
Throttle body.
Yep.
Is it cable throttle body? Cable.
Yes, it's cable. So we're going drive-by cable still. So we have the option with the X-Max to go wire if you want to do that later on, but I figured we'd simplify things. Get you guys on the team.
No tack, just cable.
Yeah, so it's just a cable.
Guidance,
Gas pedal.
Guidance hates the tack module now.
Yeah.
We changed it so many times.
So when's the last time you drove the truck? Woo. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's check that out. So this, I think it's a 92 millimeter throttle body. Can
Yeah.
you see a War Performance? Comes with all your instructions,
Yeah.
hardware to bolt it on, and then you supply the sensors.
I got
so,
it already.
yeah, big shout out to War Performance for getting on board. All right.
And we got the sticker.
Stickers are important, yes.
Yeah.
All right, we'll keep going. So we got,
Feels like Christmas here.
it is. So here's this one.
Feels like your birthday.
I reached out to my buddy Matt Happel from Sloppy Mechanics.
Man, dude.
I told him that we were installing an X-Max. So he said that he'd help us out a little bit.
Matt Happel.
Matt Happel.
I didn't tell him nothing. Okay. What is that? How's it?
So this is a plug-and-play harness so we can run the E85 in the truck still.
Oh.
So I don't have to wire it in. So Matt Happel makes these over at sloppymechanics.com. This plugs into the I/O harness, and then it's just a quick plug and play deal, so you
great.
can run everything. So I don't actually have to run a bunch of wires.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, and it integrates with the factory harness.
You see where this came from?
Apple.
Can you,
I'm at Apple.
what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow. Thanks, my apple.
Yep. And then, because Holley was being generous, Gene told me not to mention him on this one. So Gene and I went halves on this one for you guys.
With
This is from mainly me, because Gene said not to mention him. Kane's gonna dig this.
Ooh.
oh, wow.
Is that sweet? So we don't have to mess with gauges. We got you the 7-inch digital dash.
Oh,
So it's just like the one that's
the
in.
screen.
Yep. This is the digital screen that's just like in the Malibu.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at it because
Yeah.
I need to.
I already opened it to measure it, so it's still brand new, but
What? You can do.
You are very, very excited.
yeah.
What? What? You can do.
What can that do? It reads all the gauges, and you could program the screens, and it's going to tell you fuel and all your vitals.
Full pressure.
Feel pressure?
Yes. Yeah, it'll have all the different readouts,
Wow.
and then we can customize the things that you guys want to see on there. So that way
Everything.
we can everything you need to see will be on there. And then the X-Max is in this box. This has the 3-inch screen on there as well, so you'll actually have 2 dashboards in the truck.
Well, we can open this too.
Yeah, open it up. Let's check it out.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is completely closed.
Yeah, it's all brand new.
Oh, wow. Dude, I'm so thankful. You guys.
Wait.
Yeah, you guys are welcome.
What? Who? Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Performance. Fan.
The work performance what?
Fan.
The work performance fan?
The Warp Performance fans. I don't have any of those yet. Those are on pre-order. Once,
Oh.
well, now your truck can control it.
To be controlled by the
Yes,
controlled by the Holley?
the Holley will control it. Yeah, so
That was wrong.
we'll get y'all hooked up. It's like Christmas over
I
here.
haven't opened presents in a long time.
Yeah, he doesn't even know how to open the boxes.
No. Oh.
Yeah.
Here.
There you go. Sweet. Yeah. So
Thank you, Holley.
yep. So that's thank you, Holley.
Yeah. Let me well,
So you've got your main harness.
Me.
Yep. So you got
this is
main harness. This is your power harness.
the
This
power
is
harness.
the power tap that goes with the computer. Then this one, Dad can grab that one. This for your transmission. So there's 4L80E.
Oh yeah.
It's right here. You'll notice that plug, right? You guys know what that plug is.
Yeah.
They actually had that pop out or push into the transmission, didn't you?
Huh?
Didn't you push this into the transmission one year? Trying to plug it in?
No, I pushed. Yeah. I pushed the thing
Yep.
that goes in the transmission.
Yep.
You were there? No. I think you got there the next day or something.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Yeah. Oh.
This is the actual computer. Whew, Kane's special right there.
I know who's gonna be happy. Kike.
Oh yeah. So also Kike knows. So he's
Oh really?
Kike and Gene are both in on this.
Oh man.
So
you
I
guys-
told both of them, and it's been hard not to tell you guys anything, but it took a while to get everything here, and I want to make sure I had it in hand before I told you.
You guys are awesome. All of you.
Yeah.
Holly, dude. This is like perfect on your birthday and everything.
Yeah.
Yep.
For how long? You know, Cain got me looking for used Terminator X, and I
Yep.
tried to call people, ask people.
And then the rest of it you can leave it in there. That's
Like,
your injector
yeah.
harness, and then
This
that's
is
the
the
drive-by
screen.
wire, and that's
Oh,
the screen.
The screen, right?
Yep.
Let me show you the screen.
Yeah, you want this is a little 3/5 inch. So this is you could do your wizard and all that stuff. See the little guy? I know you've seen that in my car. Now you'll have one in the truck. So
Wow, I don't even know what to say. Thank you, Holley. Thank you, War, Gene, Dane,
yeah,
Kike.
Kike, Matt Apple.
Dude, how many videos of Matt Apple have we seen?
Uh,
A lot.
A lot.
Yes.
So, all right. Well, I will quit filming you guys. We can kind of sit and talk about this stuff off camera. I want to thank all of you on here for making this possible, because if Cain didn't watch my videos, I would have quit YouTube. We would have never made it this far in order to hook these guys up. So you guys keep watching, and we're going to keep doing cool stuff. You guys know what to do. Until next time, we're out.